Okay, we got to get around to the front because I got to undo the front door. So Betty's going to videotape this. This ought to be interesting.
It's the first time we could let the dogs in the garage and they wouldn't get out. Oh my goodness. I think this is going to be much harder than you think. Steve is using the shovel as a balance. All the way up to his waist and beyond. Because he's walking on snow, he's not walking on the pavement. He's going to clear the front in case we get mail today. Nobody has touched their houses or driveways yet. Not a soul. Oh, he's making it to the front. It normally take him about 5 seconds. Made it to the front porch. Gotta go around. Wind is howling. That snow that he's thrown is blowing all the way back here. Okay. There's our neighbor. Here's his path. Here's the garage. There he started his climb. There's our house. Taping through the front door. He is shoveling off our front porch, which did not get hit as bad. But the chairs are completely buried. Just in case we get mail today, he's making a path. I don't think we're getting mail today. Everything's closed anyway. Just like 78. There's the chair. Not totally buried, but halfway. Might as well wait for spring. Nobody's going to be sitting out there for a while. He made a little path down to the bottom of the steps. The snow is all the way up to his waist. That's our front walk. Well, here's an idea. Just take the rug off. Now we've got pavement, or boards anyway. This is a yardstick, and the snow goes beyond.